people, and I'm back cooking again today, and today I am doing a chicken korma. As you can probably see, I've cooked some chicken. Didn't need to show you because it's a case of just putting it in a roasting tin or whatever you do your chicken in and cooking it. Now I'm going to add the korma. Oh, it looks really wrong. And I'm going to add, no I'm not. Now I'm going to get a spoon and stir it. And now I'm going to cover the chicken in the korma. I'm sorry if my voice keeps going, I don't know what it is, just something to do with my health deterioration. And as you can see, it's cooking. I've taken all the bones out. You can add an onion with this, but seeing that it's the first time I'm making it, I'm not going to mess about with putting stuff in. I think I've got all the bones out, but it doesn't matter because the dog is not having this because it's curry, and curries are not good for dogs. There's some people like me to keep giving them updates of dogs and some don't. So I keep thinking I'm seeing a bone. A long thin bone. It looks as though it's doing well. I've never done this before. It's probably a bit last time I ever do it again. At least it hasn't exploded. If you get a bone, dear, I do apologise. Right, that's more or less all the chicken covered in the korma sauce. Oh, it's making funny noises. Right, I'm going to turn it down to number, oh yeah, I'll put it on number 6 to start with. Like I said, the chicken has already been cooked, so it's just a case of warming the korma up. I keep saying it wrong. You don't have to do anything with it. I don't know if you can see, I'm doing some chips with mine. You can do rice, naan bread, new potatoes, anything you want. But I've decided chips were easier. So I'm going to dish that out now and hopefully it will taste nice. Do you want to taste tester? Okay then, forget it.
It's coming out of a pan like boiling hot. Supposed to be curry on, and you want me just to stick my finger in and take a lick? No, thank you.
You don't stick your fingers in when you're cooking.
I know
health and hygiene.
Don't even start.
So yes, I'm going to put it on the plates and we're going to eat it and see how it turns out. And this is the end product of chicken korma and chips. Well, I hope that gave you a rough idea how to do chicken korma. If you like what you see, please keep viewing. And if you want to give me a big old thumbs up, go ahead. And if you want me to make something or cook something, leave me a comment. The more the merrier. And if you haven't already subscribed to me, get subscribing. Thank you. Bye.